be coming past that old building there in a second. Oh, yeah.
See the light, Dawson?
Yeah.
There he is. Wow.
Whoa, that looks so cool. That looks so great.
Yeah.
That looks so cool. Right?
Yeah. That's awesome. Pretty cool.
Oh, do you see that?
Oh, I like that one. Oh, look at the snowman skiing. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Yeah. The snowman's going everywhere.
I didn't realize it was that long.
It's super long. Last year it was super long too.
Yeah.
Every year it'll be long. Hey, look at
Yeah.
How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send you for my phone. Let's do that to do. Silas, I'm going a little bit. Baby was born in Bethlehem. Just go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send you that speak aloud. Let's do that door.
How you get to go on there?
Children to go on and Silas, one for a little bitty. The baby was born in Bethlehem. Just go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send the 6x6, 6 days, and I'll fix my
It's Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, it's Christmas, I just need you. Yeah. I'm not here with her. Spirit reign. There will have some Christmas.